Think I fucked up my hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I am using Bentonite clay to detox my hair. So this is primarily used like on your skin to help detoxify your pores, and your hair has pores as well. So I'm going to use it to detox my hair and just kind of bring my curls back to life. So here is where I am mixing the bentonite clay with the water. I don't have a specific recipe that I followed, and nor did I, record any measurements, but I just try to get a consistency that worked for me, something that would stick to my hair. So I just used primarily water and the clay, and then I added a cap full of apple cider vinegar because, health properties and benefits and whatnot. So that's what I did. But if you do try this, let your ancestors guide you and you will be fine. You will be fine.
All right, so I'm in my bathroom. I have my bentonite clay mixture ready. I just split my hair into two sections. Now, the video I initially watched, she said she wasn't gonna use shampoo because like the clay, I guess it like detoxifies your hair. If you know anything about like silicones and conditioners, it kind of like has a protective layer over your hair. So I do suspect that I have some buildup and I have some gel that's kind of flaking. So I want to get that off of my hair first, so that way the bentonite clay can really do what it's supposed to do on my hair. So I'm gonna shampoo my hair really quick and rinse it out, and then I'll be back to add in the mixture. Now it's time to put it on. I'm just gonna give it one more stir because it's still kind of clumpy, even though I added water over and over and over and over, and I should have used a bigger bowl, but here we are. So we're gonna start with the bottom section. I shampooed my hair, so now it feels a little bit cleaner and not with a bunch of product buildup. I'm gonna split this part in half though.
Messy boots.
Messy. Trying to go slow-ish so I don't make a mess, but it's kind of impossible. And then also, you're supposed to leave this on, well, for your face, 5 to 10 minutes. So I don't remember what the rule is for hair, so we just kind of figuring it out. But initially, when I looked this up to do it this time around, I was looking for ways to treat heat damage because I think I fucked up my hair. So if you follow any of my YouTube shorts, there was one where I impulsively blow dried my hair and did a length check, but after I was going back to my curls and stuff and I was doing a wash and go, there was like a middle section, maybe like this much of my hair that was still straight, like straight when I put the gel in. So I wasn't sure if I should cry or not, but when it dried curly. So I was like, well, I don't know. So I feel like I accidentally stretched my curl pattern, but that was not my intent. So anything that can detoxify my hair and keep my curls popping, that's what I'm about to do. Yo, feel. See, look, almost halfway done. We getting somewhere. Oh, do y'all like ASMR? Y'all get it? Mm-hmm. That's for y'all. And also on that heat damage part, I don't have any footage of it in my last wash and go to really like show you what I'm talking about. But maybe with this weighing my hair down, you might be able to see what I mean. Hopefully this clay will fix it though, because I did not like it. And it was a little bit towards the front, which the top part of my hair and towards the front, those curls are already looser than the curls in the back. So that's why I was just like, pause. See, like right here. How it's a little bit, see, yeah. But when it dries, it still dries curly, so it's not that bad.
I finally got the clay all the way through my hair. Now I'm just using whatever excess clay I have left and just smoothing that through, making sure that my strands have equal opportunity when it comes to this clay. I want no strand left behind.
I could be next.
I'm that Ivy Park girl.
Girl. No, but really though, look at the definition and the curl clumping. Like my strands are hanging out with people that they get along with, like other strands that they vibe with, and that's a good thing because that means less frizz. All right, so this is my hair. It's fully dry. I almost forgot to come back and show y'all how it came out. Because I washed my hair Saturday, and y'all, today is Tuesday. But I've been sleeping with a silk cap on. I would just put it in a pineapple. I haven't stretched it or anything, and then I just put the silk cap on, just like that. But yeah, it has a lot of body. It moves. I like when my hair moves. So that's why I take the time to shingle, because that way I could do all of that, and change my part. Boom. Like, I haven't stretched it yet. I probably will, but I want to trim it first, just because I have a few raggedy ends. You can't really see it, but I am gonna make a video on how I trim my curly hair, and yes, I cut it dry, because that's how you're supposed to cut curly hair. You're supposed to cut curly hair dry. Okay, my hair's super defined. I mean, it's always defined with how I do my wash and goes, but I feel like the clay really helped as far as like the curl clumping and, you know, having my light curls together. So I think it may have helped. My hair's still dry curly, so you can't really see the parts where it was kind of like stretchy like that. So I'm gonna choose not to be bothered for now. I know it's there when my hair is wet, but I'm gonna choose to not be bothered, because that was stressful for me and I almost cried. If you need to see how I do my wash and go, I will put that video somewhere up in here or in the description box. I'll put that video there. Or if you need to see how I do, you know, my wash day routine, I will link that video as well, so that way you can see. But I love my curls how it is. The shrinkage kind of pisses me off, because I mean, it's not even the frame. Like, can I get some respect? Can I it's fine. Shrinkage means healthy hair. All right, so I hope this helps. If you decide that you want to try out some bentonite clay, girl, put a towel down, because it's gonna get messy, but it is worth it as far as just kind of giving your hair a little reset. So I recommend. All right, see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you got any questions, comments, but you could leave a comment below.